Getting started with BizBaz World is simple. Just click here, and you're ready to explore the new interface. Most people are working hard and still stuck. You don't need more effort. You need a smarter system.
Welcome to BizBaz World, where we use AI to build income.
You know that feeling when a brilliant design idea hits you and you think, man, I wish I could put this on a t-shirt or a mug or, well, pretty much anything. But then the question is, where do you even start? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into how you can turn those creative sparks into actual products that people can buy, all without leaving your computer.
Okay, but here's the classic problem for any creator, right? You want to sell your art, but the idea of ordering hundreds of t-shirts, managing all that inventory, and then packing and shipping everything yourself, it's a total nightmare. It's expensive, it's super risky, and let's be honest, who has that kind of space? What if you could just skip all of that?
Well, you can. That's where this amazing thing called print on demand, or POD, comes in. The magic of this whole model is right there in the name. You create a design, you put a product up for sale in your online store, and absolutely nothing gets made until a customer actually clicks buy. That means no upfront costs, no boxes piling up in your garage, and zero risk. So you're probably thinking, okay, great idea, but how do I actually do this? That's where we're going to focus for this explainer. We're going to take a close look at one of the biggest players in the whole POD world, Printify.
The whole concept is just beautifully simple. Your job is the fun part, right? Creating awesome designs. The second a customer places an order on your site, Printify's huge global network just springs into action. They print your design on the product, they pack it up, and they ship it straight to your customer. You just get to sit back and collect the profit. It's your creative business, basically on autopilot.
Okay, so the business model itself is pretty straightforward, but getting a design to look absolutely perfect on a physical product, that takes a little bit of know-how. So let's break down the 4 golden rules you really need to master. If you get these right, you are well on your way.
First off, choose a product that actually makes sense for your brand and what your audience wants. Don't just pick something at random. Second, you have to get familiar with the print areas. A design that looks great on the front of a shirt just isn't going to work on the sleeve. Third, and this is so important, get your dimensions right. The best way to do this is to download the templates Printify gives you. You're going to want to aim for a really high resolution. 300 dpi is the gold standard for prints that look super sharp and crisp. And finally, always use the mockup generator. Think of it as your crystal ball. It lets you see exactly how your design will look in the real world before you sell a single one.
Okay, so that's the theory. But how does all this work in practice? I mean, designing for a flat t-shirt is one thing, but it's totally different from designing for, say, a curved tumbler or a specific type of jersey. So let's dig into some real-world examples.
First up, we've got the football jersey. This is such a cool product with a really passionate audience already built in. But you gotta know, it has some very specific design rules. You can't just, slap any old logo on it and call it a day, because fans expect it to look and feel authentic.
So let's break down the key zones. For the front chest area, high contrast colors are absolutely essential to make the design pop. Then, on the back, the number has to be big and clear. Think about it. Could someone read this from way up in the stands? It has to be that clear. And for the sleeves and side panels, take a look at real sports jerseys to get that authentic feel.
And to get your own ideas flowing, here's a little challenge for you. Think about your favorite team. Or, hey, invent a whole new one. This is the exact kind of specific guide that helps you create a really great, sellable design.
All right, let's totally switch gears and talk about drinkware. Tumblers and cups are massively popular, but they come with a completely different design challenge. You're working with a curved, cylindrical surface.
And this is where you really need to notice the difference. For a tall, straight tumbler, a full 360-degree wraparound design looks absolutely amazing. But for a more standard cup, especially one with a handle, you're much better off focusing your design on that main side panel, away from any printing restrictions. The specs are your best friend here, for sure.
And here's where you get into the pro-level challenge for drinkware, creating a totally seamless pattern. When your design wraps all the way around, you want the left and right edges to meet so perfectly that it looks like one continuous image. It takes a little practice, but man, when you get it right, the final product looks so incredibly professional.
All right, you've got the basics down and you've seen a couple of examples. Now, let's get into some real pro tips.
These are the things that will help you avoid the most common printing mistakes and make sure your customers get a product that looks just as good in their hands as it did on your screen.
First, and if you remember absolutely nothing else from this, remember this: always, always use the provided templates. Every single product on Printify has a file you can download with the exact dimensions and resolution, but more importantly, it shows you the safe zones. You have to keep your key design elements inside these lines to guarantee that nothing important gets accidentally cut off during printing. Second is a super crucial point about color. Your screen displays colors in something called RGB, but physical printers use a different model called CMYK. Sometimes this can cause colors to shift a little bit, but here's the good news: you don't really have to worry about converting it yourself. Just design in the standard RGB mode you're used to, and Printify's system automatically handles the conversion for you, optimized for their specific printers. Easy. Third, and listen, this is totally non-negotiable if you're serious about this, do your own quality control. Before you launch a new product, you have to order a sample for yourself. A mock-up on a screen looks great, but holding the physical product is the only way to be 100% sure the colors are right, the placement is perfect, and the quality is something you're proud of. It's a tiny investment that completely protects your brand's reputation.
And finally, our fourth tip: always design for scale. An image that looks super sharp and clear on your monitor might look a little blurry or pixelated when it's stretched across a giant t-shirt. That's exactly why it's so important to start with high-resolution files and to preview your design at its actual physical size. It helps you spot any potential quality issues long before a customer does. Okay, we've covered a ton of ground. We talked about the business model, the design rules, and some pro tips. So let's bring it all together and talk about the mindset you need to actually launch and grow your creative business on Printify.
Here are 3 key strategies for success. First, start small. Seriously, don't try to sell 50 different things on day 1. Master the design process for just a couple of items first, like t-shirts and tote bags. Second, be consistent. Your designs should have a cohesive style that makes your brand instantly recognizable. And third, and this is maybe the most important part, iterate and improve. Pay attention to what's selling and what your customers are saying. Use that data to make your designs even better.
So look, the tools are there, the knowledge is now in your hands, and there's literally zero risk to just getting started. All that's left is your creativity. So the only real question now is, what amazing thing are you going to make first?
Follow BizBaz World for daily income strategies: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. And check the link below for free tools and resources.